Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Wijdan and my student ID is 2024-31005 from the Web Programming E-class. Today I'll explain the result of my practical assignment, which consists of the three main parts: the HTML structure, the CSS styling, and the JavaScript functionality. I'll describe how all the components work together to produce the final web page that you can see on my Laporan Practicum website. Okay, let's start with HTML explanation. Let me begin with HTML file, which act as main structure of the web page. The first, we have declaration doctype HTML that indicate we use HTML5 inside the head section. I define the character encoding as UTF-8 and configure Vue4 to ensure the page is responsive to all of devices, like smartphone to laptop to PC. And then I link the external CSS file using link relation stylesheet and reference style.css. Then I load the Google font plugins, which give the whole page a modern and clean appearance. Inside the body, which start in rapid mode, by default I display the main title Laporan Practicum. At the top, I followed by my name and my student ID. Below that, I create a container, use div tag class content that hold three cards, each containing one question and one answer. Of this question, why CSS and JavaScript are important in modern web development, the concept and the goal of RWD, responsive web design, how CSS, JavaScript, and RWD work together. Each card has the structure and heading tree for the question and a paragraph tag for the explanation. The structure intentionally designed because later the JavaScript will make the answer collapsible when heading is clicked. At the bottom page, I add button with ID theme switcher. This button allows user to toggle between two themes, rapi mode and berantakan mode. Overall, the HTML file defines the content and structure of the page, while the CSS and JavaScript enhance. I forgot to tell you this is my HTML file. Okay, I'll explain the CSS file. Let's see. Okay, in rapid mode, the body use a light gray background, dark text and clean spacing, and the pop-in font to create a professional and calm layout. The heading 1 and heading 2 are centered, while the heading 3 heading use a blue color so they stand out and signal they are clickable. Each card use a white background, 30 pixel padding, rounded corner, and a soft shadow, and a hover effect that slightly lift the card. These elements make the interface look modern, similar to clean UI you see on the professional website. For the layout, CSS use flexbox. This allows the card to line up side by side and on large screen, but automatically stack on the smaller screen like tablet or mobile phone. This demonstrates the principle of responsive web design. In addition, in rapid mode, I create completely opposite design called berantakan mode. This mode extremely use bright color, rotated text, dotted border, chaotic positioning, is intentionally messy, not practical use, but to demonstrate how CSS can completely transform a page simply by switching a single class on the body element. In short, CSS responsible for visual design, layout structure, responsive animation, theme switching, etc. Finally, I'll explain the JavaScript file which is responsible for making the page interactive. The JavaScript code begins with DOM content load, ensuring the script only runs after the entire HTML page fully loaded. This prevents error when accessing DOM element. The first feature of the script is making each heading tree tag clickable. JavaScript select all heading tree tag element, and for each one it adds even listener that respond to click. When the heading is clicked, JavaScript find the paragraph like below. I forgot to turn the JavaScript file. Okay. If the paragraph is visible, JavaScript asks the user confirmation before hiding it. If the paragraph is hidden, JavaScript simply display it. This creates interactive accordation-like behavior that lets user expand and collapse explanation. The next feature is the theme switcher. JavaScript. Now, this is the theme switcher. The JavaScript listens for the click on the Ganti Mode button and toggles the two classes on the body with Rapi and Berantakan. This instantly changes the appearance of the entire website without reloading the page. This demonstrates how JavaScript can control interaction dynamically, update UI element by modifying CSS class. Okay, to conclude this, I'll show you how it works. Let's see. If we click the heading, we will get pop-up like this. If you click the OK button too, it will disappear or hiding. But you can pop up it again by click it again. Okay, now let's try the Ganti Mode or switching toggle button. As you can see, the Laporan Practicum UI is so messy, and I don't feel this is comfort to read or something. This is terrible. Okay, let's switch it again. So that's it. To conclude through this practical, I learned how HTML and JavaScript work together, build a functional and interactive website. HTML provide the structure, CSS handle the design, JavaScript add interactive and dynamic behavior. The final result is clean, modern, and responsive. That's all the essential principle front-end development. That's all for me. I'm sorry, I'm gonna show you if this web are responsive to all of device. You can see by enter the function 12 on the keyboard, and then you click this. If you stretch it, it will be stuck or queue. As you can see, this is RWD or responsive web design. It's adapt to the length of the device. So, okay, that's it. That is all for me. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Wijdan, NIM 2024 31005. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.